Good morning, all. Welcome to the Teaching Aptitude Session 2 of Process Study Circle, discussing the basics, or we'll be continuing from what we discussed last day. Before going further, let me introduce our online coaching batch. Actually, this online coaching will be through WhatsApp only, and we will be we'll be covering the entire session, entire syllabus through WhatsApp discussion, and it will include the video lectures on important topics, daily MCQs, daily MCQ based on the previous question papers, and weekly mock test. Along with that, there will be study materials provided on a daily basis, and all these will be charged, and the fee is just 1,599. For more details, you can WhatsApp 9447 Without further delay, we are going to the session. So last day there was a quiz on our WhatsApp group, and we'll be discussing the answers for the last day's quiz first, and after that we'll be moving on to our session. So the first question was, the use of technology to enhance learning is called dash in education. That's a simple question. It is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. And one, it is said that there is an urgent need for articulation. So you must know the meaning of articulation. That is, see, articulation. Articulation among schools and colleges. This problem of articulation is concerned with. So what is the problem of articulation? So you are given options. A provision for better administration facilities, appointment of talented teachers, communication and closer relationship among teachers, better facilities for in-service training of teachers. So the answer is C. Arbitration means better communication and closer relationship among teachers. So problem of articulation means there is no better communication or closer relationship among teachers. So it can be solved through a system or framework intended in such a way that better communication is facilitated among teachers. So second question is over. Third one. Counseling is provided to assist an individual. Counseling. The basic purpose is to, first of all, you need to understand what is the problem of the individual and then find ways to resolve it. So the answer is B. Understand and solve the problem. Fourth question. Which of the following methods of communication can be most effective? The most effective way is multimedia. Fifth question. The issue of academic burden on students was examined by, the answer is Eshpal committee. You need to go through the other committees and find out purpose for creation of such committees. Sixth question. The purpose of evaluation is conducted to make judgment. So the answer is C. Seventh one. The reasons why students run from school is, actually the attitude is the issue. Means a teacher must be a person who will be able to interact positively, or who will be able to solve the problems of students. So collision attitude of the student, attitude of the teacher is the problem. Eighth one, diagnostic evaluation ascertains. Diagnostic, the word means cause and remedy. So you need to find out the cause and remedies of learning problems during instructions. Answer is D. Ninth question. In which list is education in Indian Constitution? As per Schedule 7 of Indian Constitution, the subjects are divided into three broad categories. That is central list, state list and concurrent list. Central list will cover all those subjects which are managed by central government itself, and state list which can be managed by state government, and is concurrent by both, either by central government as well as, both by central government and state government. So education is added to the concurrent list by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. So the answer is B. Now let's check this 10th question. The question was asked to find out the option which is not correct. First option is most of the educational institutions of national repute in scientific and technical fare fall under 64th entry to the Union list. That's right. Second option, education in general is the subject of concurrent list since 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. That we already said while discussing the last question. That's absolute right. Next one, Central Advisory Board on Education was first established in 1920. That is also right because Central Advisory Board was first established under British rule in 1920 and which was later abolished by 1923. There was an issue with the answer for this question is answer option D because you can see India had implemented the right to free and compulsory, see the word primary, because India already established the right to free and compulsory elementary education, not primary education, in 2002 through 86th Constitutional Amendment. So right to primary education is not included. So right to primary education is given to the students between the age group of 0 to 6. Actually, we are providing education facilities only to the persons between 6 and 14. So that is elementary education, not primary education. So here wrong answer is D. Wrong answer is D. So that is all about the last day's quiz. Today's topics are factors affecting teaching, different variables of teaching, basic requirements, and levels of teaching. So first topic, factors affecting teaching. So basically, what are the factors affecting teaching? So let's see. First factor is the three variables. There are three variables that are dependent variable, that means the student, independent variable, that is the teacher, and intervening variable, the methods and techniques used by teacher for connecting the independent variable with dependent variable. Next, teacher-student relationship, methods of teaching used, teacher-administration relationship, and social environment. All these factors are the basic things that affect teaching. Then the professionalism on the part of teacher, suitable environment, that will be the college or school, teacher-student interaction through better relationship, student discipline, teacher's devotion to teaching, and also on the hand, students devotion to learning. So it must be going in certain way as they will be coexisting. Last topic is levels of teaching. There are three levels of teaching: memory level, understanding level, and reflective level. In memory level, it is called thoughtless teaching because whatever the teacher teaches, the student is trying to memorize everything. Then second level is understanding level, through thoughtful teaching because teacher is trying to inspire the student and trying to make the student aware about the concepts. And reflective level is the upper thoughtful level because here based on the instruction, based on the lectures given by the teacher, the students will try to gain more knowledge. So they will be try to inject creativity in their studies. So these are the three levels of teaching, and detailed notes will be provided through the PDF that we already shared in the groups. So please go through it. If there's any doubt, feel free to contact us. So my phone number is given there. That is 9447 You can WhatsApp at any time. Thank, thank you everyone. Thank you very much.